Happy Thursday, Forest night out in St. Louis. If you haven't figured it out, man, I have just been completely, if is enamored a word? Is enamored the right word to say? Going through this Forex education and learning about stuff. And to be honest with you, the first dozen lessons, I felt like I wanted to poke my eyeballs out because it was just like get to the point, get to the point, get to the point. My red personality was like, come on, can we do this on Forex? Or Forex? That's funny. Can we 4 times the speed, right? And then it hit patterns, and I was like, oh my god! I think I watched the pattern training like 50 times, and I got really enthralled about different patterns. And then I listened to the training. I think it was the day before yesterday. I actually posted on my timeline about being able to read the graphs and understand, the to when to get in the market and out of the market using the tools with confirmations. I'm like, man, this is exciting, right? So I'm sitting down and I'm learning patterns. I'm looking at some stuff. So I ran across this really cool article that you can see right here. I'm going to share with you. And one of the things I've been listening to is talking about the rules and patterns. And of course, one of the rules is pick out a dollar amount you're going to get in, pick out a certain time you're going to be in the market, get in. When you hit that dollar amount, don't get greedy and get out. That's one of the things they talk about. Don't be greedy. It's a mindset thing. There's a lot involved in Forex trading and trading in general. It's an attitude, a mindset thing. You got to follow the rules. You got to understand where you're going. So I wanted to read this to you because I thought it was very, very cool. One is if you're thinking about learning how to trade Forex, you need to have some type of formal education. The platform that I'm tied into, you can see it on my shirt here, maybe not, is Elevate. Absolutely cool. If you need some more details on it, simply go to the link that's like right here somewhere. It's probably scrolling across the screen, xtrmfx.pro. Click on that. You can get some details about the education platform. It's not a network marketing thing. It's an actual platform that you can go in, get plugged into some professional traders that are going to teach you how to trade, teach you how to understand the rules, teach you how to, it's just chock full of really freaking exciting, cool stuff. And, we've got people coming out of the class now. I'm a little bit getting started late on it. I had some other stuff going on, but people are coming out of the class that are earning $300 and $400 and $500 a day. And again, I got to throw up the disclaimer. You got to work for it. You got to learn. Everybody's different. One lady earned like $34,000 in a month. And I'm just like, really? Seriously? And I want to dig a little bit more and find out what the details are on this. But I'm sure there's people out there to confirm that are Forex traders that are earning just crazy, crazy amounts of money. But if you'd like some more information on the education platform, shoot me a message. I'll get you some information. If you think you want to move forward, we'll get you some more information, as much information you need to make a decision if you want to come and hang out in the Cool Kids Club and learn how to trade Forex with us. It's exciting, man. I'm freaking jazzed if you haven't figured it out. So I want to read this to you. You can probably see it already. This is a pattern. It's called a fake out. I thought it was really cool. Fake outs are simple to understand. Is when a candle gives you a false sign of a breakout, then closes back into the range. And if you don't understand what I'm saying, that's absolutely okay. I know because I learned it. For breakout traders, fake outs are quite common, whereas retest traders might not come across this problem as much. So different styles of traders, there's scalpers, there's all kinds of different things going on in there. If you don't like price during a fake out on you, then simply just wait for a reset or retest instead of entering the breakout. So that's basically what a breakout is, but I thought it was really cool. This is a pattern. It's understanding read patterns, and there's all kinds of them. There's wedges, and there's pennants, and there's head, like I call it, head, shoulders, knees, and toes. There's a lot of cool patterns in there. There's a Pinocchio. There's being able to read and understand the candles and why one's got a longer nose than another one and what's going to happen next in the pattern. Very, very cool. There's morning stars and evening stars. My brain is like, you can tell I'm on fire because it's making sense to me. My top to bottom, left to right, analytical, freaking goofy, crazy self. And the reason I think I like this, and I'll share this with you and I'll get out of your face, is I was the Naval Gunfire Support Instructor for the Pacific Ocean, and I was meticulous. And one of the cool gadgets that we had at the time was called a grid spot converter, and it operates in Mills grid. You guys can Google this if you don't know what it is, but it's called a grid spot converter. You can look it up on Google, but it works in a 360-degree circle, and that's a conversion template because you've got a ship out here in the ocean that's going to shoot bullets, big bullets at the bad guys. You've got the Marines hiding out somewhere in the jungle, and they're doing a call for fire mission. They're calling a fire mission out on it, right? Which is absolutely cool. Let me do a stop screen share here, which is absolutely neat. So one of the things in this mission, call for fire mission, is that you use a grid spot converter. The Marines have one on one side, the sailors have one on the other side, and you need to be able to, because the ship might be moving this way, the bad guys might be coming from over here this way, and the Marines might be down and up over here somewhere doing a call for fire. So there's all different angles. And it's very, very important that everybody on the ship understand how to do a call for fire and figure out where the Marines are in relationship to the bad guys, in relationship to the ship. So when the ship shoots the bullet, it lands on the bad guys and not on the good guys, or just not where it's not supposed to be. So really fell in love with the algebra, calculus, stuff like that. And I love patterns, top to bottom, left to right. So if you're thinking about trading Forex, and you want some formal education, I'm gonna say formal because it is. This is probably the coolest thing I've ever done in my life. I wish I would have learned this like years ago. That would be so cool. So anyway, I'm jumping on that bandwagon. If you'd like some information on how to get enrolled, or just some information about the trading platform, the education platform, it's not a trading platform, it's an education platform. I want to make sure you understand it. Reach out to me. I'll get you the link. You can go ahead and take a look. I'm not going to give you a sales pitch. I'm going to give you the information. I'll let you decide if it's something that you want to do. I love you. I appreciate you. Jesus loves you. There's absolutely nothing you can do about it. I'm on a mission to have no more empty refrigerators, make an extreme impact, and be an equity creator. I hope you are too. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.